take this enormous
bit, and then a couple in Texas, and these are like prototype.
We don't have a pickup truck, we can't solve it. The number one selling truck, a vehicle in America, top three selling vehicles in America are pickup trucks. We have to solve sustainable energy, we have to have a pickup truck. So I present to you the Cybertruck.
Hey guys, John here. I was browsing the internet earlier today when I came upon a post that mentioned that there was a white Cybertruck in my local Tesla showroom, so I decided to go down there to take a look at it. I hope you're enjoying these beautiful shots of the Satin Ceramic White Tesla Cybertruck. Now, I've seen some Cybertrucks driving around my area, but this is actually the first time I've seen one up close. And to be able to see one with the factory color paint film is quite the treat. When the Cybertruck was first unveiled, I think a lot of people were shocked by how it looked. Not just because of how angular it was, but also because it was just raw steel with no added color. Now, this is how the Cybertruck should have been unveiled because it looks absolutely stunning. There are 5 different color options: satin rose gold, satin abyss blue, slip gray, satin stuff black, and finally the satin ceramic white you see in this video. Tesla says that their paint film is 2 times thicker than vinyl on average and more environmentally friendly than traditional vinyl wraps. Which color do you guys like? Let me know down in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
We have a car here that experts said was impossible, that experts said would never be made. I think it's our best product. I think it's the most unique thing on the road. And finally, the future will look like the future.